Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each and every one of you. How are you all doing? I just came upstairs to check the movie schedule. So I'm thinking if I can catch up an 8:30 show. Anyway, I hope time will permits me to have a movie night for tonight. Even though I have the money at my expense, but sorry. Anyway, guys and girls, I just want to continue the one that I'm telling you to have our topic for tonight. But before that, let me greet you first. Hey, good evening, pleasant good evening to each every one of you, and thank you, Lord, for the blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. And shout out to each every one of you, to all my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much to each every one of you. To all my silent subscribers out there, hi, hi, hi. And to all my Facebook viewers as well, and to all my new followers also on Facebook, hi, hi, hi. And what else? Doing great. And I hope you feel the same way too, okay? So guys and girls, you know what? I just want to ask you, are you a keen observer? Hold on. If you're gonna ask me, yes, I am, because when I'm walking or I'm on a jeep or any transportation, hold on, yeah, that's it, music. I keep on observing people, things that surrounds me, or everything that I can have my attention. I don't use cell phones as much as possible because you should sometimes be aware of what happening around. Maybe sometimes those who are doing bad things or awful things may attack you, or you might see in your acquaintance friends or anyone that you're looking for, or anything that make possible your mind, that will make you feel that this certain things or certain things and certain or any people that you feel that you will learn from them, okay? What I have seen, I keep on, makiupo lang po, sir. You know what? I'm very much fond of reading some quotable quotes, or let's say taglines, especially on the t-shirt, on displays on the vehicles, or anything that make my mind blows up on ideas and other ideas. Yeah, ideas and ideas. There's another thing that's in my mind and in my tongue that I couldn't say right now. Can you guys help me? Ideas and what's this? There's another one. There's another term for that. The topic. It's not a topic, but guys, sorry. Ideas and content, not a content. Maybe, yeah. Anyway, yeah, that's. And then one time, this couple of nights when I went home, the second to the last stop that I had in Pagtong, I saw a guy wearing a shirt says that hold on, your anger, what's that, what does it says? Sorry, your anger, guys, please bear with me. Your anger, I think it's pain, sorry, your it says on the t-shirt, pain turn into pain turn into power. So it's really such a good saying. You know what does it mean? If you are angry to a person or to anyone because he or she do something bad for you, do awful things, do not avenge, do not do same mistakes, or do not try to return back his bad things that he done to you. No, what you need to do, guys and girls, is you have to fight back on doing the right thing, which is do great in your job or whatever you are doing. Or let's say you have your, what's this, bread and butter that you are having on your day-to-day basis. If you're having a business or whatever it is, so don't make some awful things. Do whatever is what make you think is really right, for you not to get more miserable. So sometimes we should sometimes we should always think of what the best that we can do on ourselves. And the best thing, I keep on saying this, guys and girls, even before that, make some sweet revenge and just let the karma do the thing. And the God is watching on us on whatever we do. And the term that the t-shirt saying, or what the term on what the word saying, sorry, oh, why is it like that? Sorry, I'm bad, my bad. The tagline, the tagline, the tagline, what the tagline says, you turn your anger into power. So